because the people mostly they are asking a question about the scaffolding because this is a technical things and some people if they are qualified in the scaffolding then they can work easily. There is a lot of opportunity to everybody because the scaffolding is a easy job, but some technical thing is there which one if we understand we can save our people, the workers and everything. For this purpose, first we understand what is the scaffolding. The scaffolding temporary work platform, which one we are using for some activities, that one is called scaffolding. Okay. Some area, if we have some height and we cannot easily reach to there, at the ground we cannot work, then we are making some platform, which ones we use to there as a two methods. One is a tube and coupler scaffolding, the second one is system scaffolding. The basic by design, we have a two type of scaffolding. One is a tube and coupler scaffolding. The second one is system scaffolding. That one is manufactured material coming to the only we fix to there, and then after that we start the work. That one is system. For example, they make same like this table. We put to there, we bring, and then after work to here. If this one is system, because this is a manufacturing, we bring parts and then after adjust to there, and then after that we can work to there. That one is system. The other one, we are taking only tubes, couplers, and then after that we erect to there at a spot, which where we need. That one is also we can increase there and reduce to something by own. But which one is system, we cannot reduce and increase. Which design is they given, we can fix to that one only. For this purpose, the both scaffolding is very important. System scaffolding and tube and coupler scaffolding. By design, we have how many? Two. One is a by material. This one is two. By material, two. System scaffolding and tube and coupler scaffolding. By weight, we have a three type of scaffolding. By weight, how much? Three type of scaffolding. Number one, lightweight, light duty scaffolding, medium duty scaffolding, and special scaffolding or heavy duty scaffolding. By weight, we have a three type of scaffolding. One is a light duty scaffolding, medium weight scaffolding, and heavy duty or special scaffolding. For that, the light duty scaffolding means the 1% and 20 kg in 1 square meter we can put a weight. 1% and 20 kg means 120 kg we can put a load there. 120 kg weight we can put to there, or 1% and 20 kg. It's equal, okay? In 1 square meter we can put to this weight. It means this is a lightweight scaffolding. The medium weight scaffolding in 1 square meter we can put 2% and 40 kg weight. 2% and 40 kg mean 240 kg. We can put a weight to there. And special scaffolding or heavy duty scaffolding, we cannot consider a more than this. If more than this, we need to put a weight in the 1 square meter. It means we make a heavy duty scaffolding or special scaffolding for that purpose. This one is three type of by weight. By height, we have a scaffolding basic two type. One is a less than 6 meter. The second one is more than 6 meter. Less than 6 meter, the scaffolding supervisor, he can inspect, sign, erect everything. He is the responsible for that scaffolding. Scaffolding, at the time, only scaffolding supervisor, he can sign. More than 6 meter, if we have a scaffolding, the scaffolding supervisor, he is inspecting, erecting everything, and then scaffolding inspector required the signature. Without scaffolding signature, scaffolding inspector signature, we cannot use to that scaffolding. We require the scaffolding inspector signature. More than 12 meter. Basic, I say two categories. One less than 6 meter, the other one is more than 6 meter. But one more category coming there in height, more than 12 meter. If we are erecting a scaffolding, that is a very high. And for that purpose, when we are going to erect more than 12 meter, then we need the two things more. One, we need the when we are erecting a scaffolding more than 12 meters, we need the design engineer who is making a design of that scaffolding. Clear? The design engineer, scaffolding design engineer, he is making a design of that scaffolding. The other thing, more than 12 meters, when we are erecting a scaffolding, we need the loss prevention department. If they are giving approval to us, we get the approval from them, then after that we can erect a scaffolding. Understand? And after that, again, the person who is the more than 6 meters can inspect, that inspector signature required to there, because more than 12, more than 6, these all area, they require the inspector signature for the inspection. Clear? If the more than 12 meters, what we need? Design engineer who is making a design of that scaffolding. Scaffolding design engineer. And the other thing, loss prevention department from Aramco side. If we are erecting this scaffolding in Aramco side, then loss prevention department from Aramco, we need to their approval. If they approve to about our design and they allow to us erect to that scaffolding, then after that we can erect. Clear now? The scaffolding for erection, when we are going to erect, there we need to some certification. Without scaffolding, if we are erecting to them, for erecting purpose, the scaffolding without supervisor, we cannot erect a scaffolding. We need the scaffolding supervisor, who is the qualified pass from the Aramco exam. Pass in the scaffolding exam, scaffolding supervisor exam. Then after that, under supervision of scaffolding supervisor, we can erect a scaffolding. For the work scaffolding workers, there is a two categories. Scaffolder 1, scaffolder 2. The scaffolder 1, who is erecting a scaffolding, that person called scaffolder 1. They are also getting a training, certificate, ID. Then after that, he can erect a scaffolding. The scaffolder 2 means the person who is giving support to that guy. Scaffolder 2, the person who is giving material to him for erection purpose. He is not erecting, he is a helper of scaffolder. Scaffolder 2 is a helper. The scaffolder 1 who is erecting to that scaffolding. Clear now? Yes. For the scaffolding, there is a tag system. 3 tag system. Red tag, nobody can use to that scaffolding. That one is holder. There is inside written to this. The red tag, no, don't use. The yellow tag means you can use to this scaffolding, but with the full body harness in Aramco standard. You can use to this scaffolding, but with full body harness, restricted area. Some people they can use, but if they use, they need to some instructions, something they follow, then after that they can use. Clear? Green tag means the peoples they can use to this scaffolding. In Aramco side, not require the full body harness. But international SABAC standard or international standard, if there is a scaffolding, if there is a green tag, also they need the proper protection system, fall arrest system, full body harness. Then after that they can work to there. Clear?
So they need more than 1 meter.
The scaffolding, if we are acting as we are doing a work 1.2 meters above from the ground, 1.2 meters. That all works called work at height. 1.2 meters, above the 1.2 meters, if we have some work, that work we consider in the work at height. But when we reach to 1.8 meters, then we need the proper fall protection system. There is a two things. One is the work at height. When we reach to 1.8 meters, 1.2 meters, that one is work at height. It's okay. Work at height we consider. But when we follow to these all instruction and fall arrest system and these all things, when we reach to 1.8 meters, then we need the fall protection system, fall arrest system, toe board, mid rail, top rail, these all things when we require, when we reach to there 1.8 meters. Less than 1.8 meters, we no need to any full body harness. We no need, yes, we have a scaffolding, but less than 1.8 meters, we not require the toe board, not require the mid rail, top rail. If we are acting to this, no problem. But this is not a bound. to wear the full body harness, because if the person wearing a full body harness is useless, that was because he with the full body harness also he can reach to ground. Okay. By this reason, when we reach to 1.8 meter, we use the fall arrest system, lifeline, toe board, mid everything. Less than this, if we use any platform, it's okay. The person can jump and person safe to himself without any other protection. The other thing, when we are erecting some scaffolding, for that purpose, we check to that area where we are going to erect the scaffolding. New excavation we cannot erect. Okay. Now, in scaffolding, by design, we have 4 types of scaffolding. Okay. Number 1, mobile scaffolding. Which one? We are erecting inside the building. We can move one place to other place. There is a wheel and lock also. But the person cannot travel at the scaffolding. The person must be come down, then after that they can pull, push, and something moves. Otherwise, person is upside, the other person cannot pull to that scaffolding. Mobile scaffolding, okay, by design. One is mobile scaffolding. The second one is tower scaffolding or stand scaffolding, standard scaffolding. Which one is stand position and the fixed at the ground. The stand scaffolding, first we check the ground level, ground position. If the soil, at the ground surface is only mud or soil, at that area we put to first soil board. Then after that base plate, then adjustable screw. Then we fix the tube there. Clear? That's stand scaffolding. The third one is bracket scaffolding. Bracket scaffolding mostly bracket. Okay. Same like you see in the some area we are putting a bracket like this. Okay. Then after I put to some window or some material to there. That one is bracket scaffolding. Which one we are fixing? Not going from ground to top. This one is at the top of the vessels, top of the tanks. We are fixing to that of scaffolding. And the fourth one is underhang and suspended scaffolding. Underhang, sometimes we use to underhang. For example, you see that some high-rise building, they are cleaning purpose, they have some bench, which one is underhang, because there is a building, there is some pulley or something, they are coming down, they are cleaning the glasses or something. Yes, at the side, that one is underhang. And the some scaffolding upside we are erecting, there is a pipeline, some structure, steel structure. There are with the structure we are making a small platform. That one is which one? Suspended. Because this is suspended with this, not coming from ground. Ground to this area we reach by ladder only. We cannot erect to this scaffolding at the top. Only we get a clamp fixed in this area, and then after that we work to that area. That one is suspended scaffolding. Okay. Underhang, which one is we are using with the bench or something. That one is underhang. But this one suspended, we fix with the top of that material, pipeline, with structure, with steel guard. We fix to there at the spot. That one is coming in the suspended. Suspended and underhang, both we count in one. Okay, these two design we consider a one, okay, only. One is a mobile scaffolding, second one is stand or tower scaffold, standard and tower, both. It's okay, one. Okay, this is a one. And then bracket is a different design. And after that,
underhang
and suspended. This is also 4 design only. By design, how many? 4. I mentioned 2 at rubber. That one is considered in the one also, because this is not a small different only. By this reason, we cannot consider a more 4 design. By design.
One is standard and tower.
Yes. Sometimes we use the word tower. Sometimes we use the word standard. Okay. And this one is for design. By design, 4 type of scaffolding. Clear? And the basic rule, the scaffolder people, they never take any tools or anything in hand. They cannot throw anything down to up to down. And the one more thing, all tools, they must be tied with their body. All tools, spanner, if they're using some hammers, if they are using some any device, anything they must be tied with rope with his body, and they cannot hold anything in the hand when they are traveling at the ladder or something, going up and down. They are not take any tools in hand. Some tools they tie in the body, it's okay, but they cannot use, and they cannot put the yes.
Sir, they have this type of jackets or
Yes, they have a tool bag.
suits.
Yes, tool bag. They are using to their small tool bag, which one they are using for spanner, and also they are tying with the rope with his body, with full body harness. They tie the spanner or something with the people, because if they thrown or fell down on any spanner or any bolt also kill the person. By this reason, nobody can take any loose tool or anything with the upside the scaffolding.
So this scaffolders use this type of cloth. These type.
Yes, this full body harness always they are using. Coverall. Yes, color also they have a packet, everything. But everybody who is working with the scaffolding workers, supervisor, foreman, engineer, inspector, or safety officer, when they're coming from the room, they always there is a PPEs. They're included to this full body harness. If the helper he is not going to offside, he is giving material from the ground, but he must be wear the full body harness. Without full body harness, you cannot find any person who is working with the scaffolding team. All team, safety officer, supervisor, inspector, also they are wearing a full body. They are not going to there, but they are team member of the scaffolding team. They must be wear the full body harness. This is the dress of the scaffolding people. If they are walking, going, but when they are included in the team, scaffolding team, yes, they wear the full body harness always. Same like you see in the worker going to offshore, they are coming from the room, yes, they are wearing the full life jacket.
Yes, sir.
Same, this scaffolding people, they are always wearing the full body harness. When they are coming back in the room, they can remove. But if they are going to side, everybody knows the person at the ground, not height. At the ground, always they are wearing the full body harness. If they are going to upside, yes, they need. But without going to upside, because they are a team member of the scaffolding team. Because mostly, nobody knows which time he is going to upside. By this reason, always they prepare to himself and they are wearing the full body harness. Understand this message? This is the small information I give it to you. Now we are starting a proper presentation about the scaffolding. And which one now you are going to start. We have a lot of trainings here and related with the scaffolding, which one we can start now properly. Okay, this basic information came in your mind. Now you understand what is the